Good day guys, trying to play your iOS War Robots account on PC. Unfortunately, it's not as simple as hitting sync. In this guide, I'll explain what's possible. So firstly, to explain to you the status, cross-platform sync is not supported. War Robots only supports transferring between devices on the same operating system. That means iOS to iOS, Android to Android, or Amazon to Amazon, but no iOS. And Reddit users confirm there's no way to transfer account to a different OS or Steam. So what you can do, if you have an iOS or Android emulator on PC, like BlueStacks, LD Play, etc., you can install the mobile version on PC and log in via Game Center on iOS or Google Play on Android. This gives you access to your account on your PC, but you're still running the mobile game. So for Android users, you can link your account with Google Play, then load it in the mobile client within the emulator. So bottom line, no direct iOS to PC transfer, but emulators let you play on PC through the mobile version. If this cleared things up, hit like and subscribe for more gaming guides, and of course check the description. See you in the game.